This is how you get more subscribers on YouTube, and it's called the super fan method. The first thing you want to do is make consistently good videos. That's in a niche. That's when you have to niche down. The second thing you want to do is check your competition's videos. See who's in the same niche as you, and then see what's getting them the most views. Now the first thing you want to do is put your own take on the video and make it different. In other words, make it unique so that your video stands out. Alright, now since you know how to get subscribers, now you need to know how to get views on your YouTube videos. Watch this video on the screen now to know how to get views on YouTube, and I'll see you there.